Okay, we are rolling. We've got our spot unit on here. Check our last minute, check our wind of what is actually blowing up on top. The mountains, we've got clouds off here, clear where we're going, so it looks like it's going to be good. Let me go ahead and I'll put the camera up here.
So you've got remote shutter, remote video.
Yep, let's check it here. Look at the camera, look into the camera there. Give me a smile.
How's that? Oh, let's see.
Good thing it doesn't have sound.
Oh, okay.
So you just boom, push that.
Wow, man, check that out.
Okay, so you remember how to get in your foot pedals, or where they fit you. Okay, here's your helmet.
That's me.
Yep. I put a little thing in here for smaller heads. Take that. You got kind of a big head.
I got a small head.
Do you have a small head? You want to try and squish? I'll put this in here though. It shims it for you if you want to.
Let me give it a
See how that works.
No, I do hats and stuff. I'm always a small.
Are you? Okay. I'll put this right here.
That's
Okay, comfortable. Let's see, we turn our master on, comm system on. Okay.
So we're always, I'm always hitting 0.
0 is find the nearest airport. So see, we'll actually be doing that a couple times today.
Okay.
So we're going to do some extra radio work here.
Okay, check 1, 2, 3.
Check 1, 2, 3.
Running good.
Good there. And then if you could just lean forward just a little bit while I do my gymnastics act and get into the back here.
Come on. Smooth. Paul, let's go over the speeds again. Stall speed?
Stall speed is 40.
40, right?
Yep.
So,
And our climb speed is, say, 50.
So takeoff speed and climb speed is the same.
Yep.
Okay, so
Because we want to get,
because at 50,
we want to be quite a bit above our stall speed before we actually take off.
right?
Okay. And the general speed for doing that is like 1.3 times stall speed.
So 40. So we're doing 25% over our stall speed for our takeoff speed, right?
Yeah, generally.
40 going up to 50. And our best glide, or
best
glide,
glide.
55 generally we're flying, right?
55,
50,
within
55.
that range. Again, that's like a 1.3 times stall speed.
Right.
Seems to be the most efficient, and that way you get the best climb, you get the best glide, kind of the best L over D
Right.
speed.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay.
So I can tell you've been studying now because you're thinking about the speeds, huh?
Well, yeah, because it's a whole package.
Yeah.
It's flying and all the knowledge.
Trying to understand all the
Yeah.
numbers at the same time as the.
It's the feel of the plane and all the other things and all the knowledge that goes with it. So.
You call a sailplane an airplane?
I
I guess you call it a plane because it's a sailplane.
Well, yeah, we do in general. All right. Well, what should we call a trike?
Well, aircraft.
The aircraft.
Trike.
The plane. The aircraft. Yeah.
Microlight.
Yeah.
Trike. Weight shift control.
Yeah, it's reading.
Flex wing. Depends on what you like.
Yeah, I think in Europe they call it. They kind of have different terminology.
Microlight.
Yeah. Anyway,
Okay.
I was reading some of the history, but let's get going here.
Okay, so
So we got the master is on,
Master's
and
on.
obviously our comm is working. So we go glass panel on.
okay, no, we wait until we start it. because we don't want to be lowering the voltage
Oh, we don't want to
on the
use
glass panel when we start.
Okay.
Okay, we let the comm system suffer, but the glass panel. So basically, it's verify throttle down,
Okay, so...
brake on.
Okay.
Okay, no gas. Of course, I've always got my hand here on the kill switch in case you do something that's bad.
Which is where?
Which is right back here. Yeah,
Okay.
got the kill switch right there. And I'm also going to be pumping the primer here if we need to.
Okay, I got the brake on. I've got no gas.
Okay.
And we're going to look around, make sure. Clear prop! Scream in your ear.